Okay, so I'm just going to talk about concept art and what concept artists do. Obviously, we all start with references and so forth. And I also want to discuss about repeating patterns. I don't know if this camera's seeing me or not. But anyway, I'm going to demo here. This guy is amazing, Leo Fonseca, a concept artist. And I'm just going to unpack this, the one over here. A couple of these pillars and so forth, okay? So you'll see I'm just looking at his work. It's from my Pinterest portal designs. That's what we're doing, working on in grade 11. So what I'm going to show you is what I demoed in class here for those people who are away, and this could help others in the future. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to say to you guys is look at the simplicity of what people do. Don't get caught up in the details. Forget the details. Don't even look at it. Simplify it into its fundamental pieces. Okay, shapes, simple shapes. If I look at this one here, for example, okay, this one here. So I'm just gonna doodle over here really quickly. I'm gonna go like this. Let me see, I got my eraser on, now is the pen. Okay, pencil. I'll do it over here. One, boom. Right here is one piece. Then there's another piece here, and there's another piece over here, like that. For example, I'm trying to look at this one or whichever one. Okay, so again, if I jump down, all of this is the same. Okay, all of those. So basically, what is that? Is this, nothing else. Simplicity. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to take the simplest shapes and start with that. So for me, it's this right here. Boom, like that, over and over. I hope I'm on the new layer. And then there it is right here. So just look at this. It's the same shape, rotated. Okay? All right, so we start there. All you need to do is use this tool, the lasso tool. Boom, this is polygonal lasso. Okay, there, Command C, Command V. And then Command T, transform. I'm using Photoshop hotkeys, okay? All right, so I'm gonna move it over here. All right, so let's pretend this was all right. Go like that. Command D, deselect. I'm just gonna use this big, thick eraser quickly here. Come on, B for brush. Okay, come back, B for brush in here. And I'll just do this. So basically that's where we started, right? Okay. Looking up here, I saw some triangles, right? Instead of copying the same thing, I'm just going to take a simple form of it. So remember, always copy and paste. Let's say we started here. This is number 2. So number 2 is what I did over here, which is I took the idea of a triangle and I went like that. Already here, if you look at these two, I know it's the same. However, if you look closely, this is a new design because all of this is new now. The shape overall is the same, but that is different. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Copy, paste, add, subtract. All right, copy, paste, add, subtract. Okay, so let me go paint underlay. Bye-bye, nude pillars gone. Okay, so let's do this. This layer, no, this. So I'll just kind of merge them down. Command E, and I'm just going to take this one again. I'm going to do the same thing. Grab, boom, here, 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 around, over. Click it, marching ants are moving, Command C, Command V, Command T for transform, and we move. All right, we go here. Done. Command D, deselect. Now this is a new layer, right? So I'll just press Command E. And what's this? There, I'll bring this one down too, Command E, it's all one layer. Okay, what can I do now? Okay, there's a lot you can do. Looking at the reference, okay? So I have this triangular piece here, which I did over here in my demo earlier today. So let's look at it. What can we do? We can take pieces and we can resize them. Watch this. This isn't what anyway, it's just, these are little simple techniques, right? So you got to close it by clicking on the dot, Command T. And now you can actually go in here and stretch it out. I could even do this, right? I can make a bigger piece. Look, there. Return, Command D. I'll do it again down here. Grab it. 1, 2, 3, over here. I'm making this shape. Command T, transform. What am I doing? I'm exaggerating it, right? I'm doing stuff like this. Okay, people would sketch this, but I'm just giving you simple tools. Sketching is a big challenge, so I'm gonna do it this way. Command D, deselect, B for brush, okay? So now, I'm here. I gotta double check that I'm in brush mode. I am. So if I just do this right now, connect this, connect these triangles, come down. There you go. Now I may decide to change this angle. Yeah, go. This thing stopped connecting again. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, now it's back. All right. So look, here's what I'll do. I'll just kind of just quickly do that. So look, there's a new one now. If you look over, okay, I can just do vertical lines. These are new shapes. So this is a new one. Okay, there you go. So I'm just kind of, and then what I could do is maybe add something here. I don't know. I'm making stuff up. So I started 1, 2, this is 3. Okay, so now I can take 3, try it again. See if this works. 1, take number 3. Command T, transform, free transform. And what am I doing? Yeah, I'm just Command C, copy. Command V, paste. Command T, transform again. Move it over. There. Okay. So this is my 4th one. And now all I got to do is Command D, deselect. Where's that one coming from? Okay, somewhere here. Okay. So let me just move this out of the way. 1 sec. I'm going to use a different one. Okay, transform is right here. Okay, click and then move. Okay, that was another demo earlier. Command D there. I think I had color under it too. So let me see if I can grab this, move it somewhere here. Something like that. Whatever I was in. I have no idea if this is the right one or not. Probably not. Okay, anyway. All right, Command T. So let's go back to brush here. Okay, so now what I could do is say, okay, maybe I like this, but I don't like this part, right? So look, boom, boom, boom. I think I may be in the wrong layer. Yes, I am. Okay, now I'm in the right layer. Always stay in the right layer, folks. Okay, transform, watch. Now I'm gonna move this, come on, up here. Okay, so we're right there. Return, Command D, B for brush. So now I can even go like this. I can even angle this out. Okay, so look, between number 3 and number 4, already we have a change. Okay, so what I could do in here, come in here, go like that. I can make a new pattern of some kind. Now this is getting too dark for you. Just use this pencil tool here, reduce your opacity a bit, and then just come in here and shave away some of this extra colors that you don't need. Okay, so notice that I'm always scribbling. I'm not trying to make it perfect, but there it is, right? This is the new form. Okay, I personally don't like the bottom right now, so I'm gonna kind of cheat or just use my tools. Actually, it's not cheating. I take that back. I'm gonna go like this, close it, Command T, bring it down, and do something like that. Proportionally, I like this more. Okay, so I'll do now, get out of that eraser tool. You have to hit it again. There. Okay, so there's a difference between number 3 and number 4. Okay, we got 5 minutes before the bell. So what I'm gonna do is go underneath here, and I'm gonna use my lasso tool quickly again on its own layer. Okay, so you can go like this, boom, make the whole pillar one color if you want, like that, or you can do parts. Okay, you can do parts. There we go. All right, let's go like that. Base color, or press I for eyedropper. Pick a base color. I think I want to go something like this. Drop the bucket tool. Boom. Okay, that is selected. That's kind of cool. That's like a baseline. I like that. Make a new layer above it. Now I'm going to change it up a bit. Okay, so here again, I'm working in layers now, folks. Boom, 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 something like that. Press the I tool here. There's a better tool, which is the Command tool, but I'm just going to leave it right now. Boom, like that. Command D. Nice. Okay, so already we're getting some things happening. What I might do is over here, decide to darken this up. So we'll just go boom, like this. Here, I'm going to hold Shift to add. There. Now I'm going to pick something dark by pressing Command. Watch this, Command. Okay, I got to go to Bucket tool first. Command, there. Here, I'm going to go with, what should we do? Should we go bright? I don't know. Doesn't matter. I don't have my colors figured out. So let's just drop some paint here. So you see, Command D. All right. So this is a nice way to block out your scene, block out your colors, block out your objects. Keep it super simple. Okay. I hope this helps. So remember, copy, paste, add, subtract becomes new. You don't have to have 4 distinctly different ideas. If you look closely here, they're all very similar. There's a bit of scaling going on here, right there. Scaling, scaling. See here, making it taller, shaving it a bit, adding little details. That's it from me. I hope this helps. I'll post this shortly. Bye everybody. Thank you. Balian out.